Hey everybody, it's Krista and I'm here to share with you my Dollar Tree dupe of a Michaels item that I saw. And I will post a picture of it somewhere in here. I'm not very good at that yet. I've just figured out that I can insert a picture. Hopefully the picture is good enough and you can actually see what it is that I was trying to recreate. It's not going to be exactly the same, obviously, but close enough. So I showed you in my Dollar Tree video all the items that I was going to use. So I decided on, one second, I'm trying to find it now, of course. Anyhow, I am going to be using this bunny sign. The one with the Happy Easter and stuff like this. I use that. I was going to use this item from the Dollar Tree, but the leaves kind of hide a lot of what I want to put on there. So I found a different vine piece, which is this. And I can't remember if it came from Dollar Tree or Dollarama, but what does it matter? It really doesn't. So I'm going to use that, and then it was this that I'm going to use. I ripped off the words just to see how much would be gone from here. It does have some left. I can't seem to get that off. I've tried. I've used a scraper and whatever else, but this little bits and pieces are still there. Hopefully it doesn't show through once I put the items on here and to do the dupe. So I will give it one more little shot at trying to take those off. If you hear crying in the background, that is just my little dog who, for some reason, has decided that she's not going to be quiet today. There's nothing wrong with her. She's just being... I'm not sitting next to her. And ever since we lost her little sister, she's not quite been herself. So she likes it if I stay next to her constantly, and usually I am. She's usually right next to me, but when I'm doing this, she can't be. So these are sort of coming off a bit more, but not really. I'm just trying to... I'm not sure what I could have used to remove that, because this stuff doesn't really come off great. It kind of splinters, as you can see on the table here. It just does that. So, and I don't want to put scratches on this thing. And there we go. Oh, maybe that'll work. Oh, bits of it off there. Okay. I just want to get the ones where you might see it still off. We'll turn the blade the other way because, as I've told you before, I do a lot of my stuff left-handed. And a lot of things are not made for left-handed people. And if you do it the wrong way, you can get hurt. Sorry if the can't... Oops! I really bounced you there. Alright, let's push you down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. Oops. I'll try to keep it in frame. I think that's about all I'm going to get off of this thing. Because boy, Dollar Tree, when they want to glue something down, they glue something down. So, this side I really wish I could get off, because it is kind of showing. And, well, let's hope that this works out a lot better than... Oh, I forgot to plug in my glue gun. I knew there was something I forgot to do before I started this video. So, give me a sec. I'll be right back. Alright. So it's all plugged in. And let's turn it on because that might get us somewhere as well. Have the bunny off. Now, don't worry. These pieces here, I'm probably going to use on a different DIY that I'm doing. I'm going to make a sign poster, a sign again, but a different one. So hopefully that'll work. While we're just waiting for that glue gun to heat up, I'm just going to see if I can get this to come off a bit more over here. Just so. If you guys have any suggestions on how to remove this, because I do have other ones that I want to use for a different DIY, please leave it in the comments below so that I can, you know, make my life a lot easier. Like, I don't know what would take this off, but because I'm not quite sure what glue they're using here. But I did want to get most of this off because it shows, I believe. Oh well, okay, so I give up on that. My glue gun should be heated up in just a short few minutes. So the dupe I saw was a picture frame with ivy and a bunny on it. So it didn't have any words or anything. It's just, that's all it was. I do have a picture frame, but it was much too heavy and clunky in order to use. So I like this idea because it's very light. You know, it's not going, you can use, my favorite go-to to hang up a picture or any kind of thing is thumbtacks, or not thumbtacks, push pins, you know. And so needless to say, there is a lot of holes sometimes. I try to go back to the same one if I can, but if I can't, it's not a big deal. So let's see if that glue gun is a little bit hot yet. And these little bunnies, I wish that they had sold some of these, just these little bunnies like this, rather than in a sign. So, but if you look at it on the bright side, if you have the sign, at least you get the little words that are draped down, right? So, anyways, let's see. Are you hot yet? I'm just gonna see if a drop comes out. Nope, not ready yet. Still needs a little bit of time. Maybe I'll turn the temperature up instead, and then have to be extra careful in that so that I don't burn myself, because, you know, that's my favorite thing to do. Okay, let me find the end of this. So I got one in there, one in there. I'm just gonna wrap these two around themselves here so that they don't come apart. Because this is just, ow. This is, ow. It's just metal. What is that? Why can't I think of the word now? I think you all know what I think I'm trying to say is, it is wire. Duh. This could be one of these videos where I can't think of the word. So I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, that shows a lot. So hopefully, maybe from far away you won't really notice it, or maybe it'll look like a blemish in the wood. Who knows? But let's see if we're gonna. So I don't want to. Any day you wanna glue. So the dupe, I think you can see this. I'm not sure if everybody saw all the items that you can get from Michael's, but the one I saw was a window frame that had ivy and a bunny in it, and literally almost the same looking bunny. I think it is almost like the same shape of the bunny and everything, but mine's on a smaller scale compared to what Michael's had. So I'm just trying to figure out where's the best place to put some glue. And I'm thinking right there and there. Because this one doesn't. And maybe over here. So. Oh, the glue is ready. So here we go. Hopefully this works. Let's see if I that there. Here. A little dab will do. Oops. Well, it might do if I can get the leaves to stick down on it. Sorry for the noise. That is actually my hand shaking a little bit while doing this. So let's just push down. Hopefully that stays. And I'll put a little bit of dab of glue right here as well. Let's see. Hopefully that all stuck down. Well, this is not sticking to anything. So I don't want to melt these, so that's why I was trying not to have to add glue onto the leaves directly, because I don't know how these hold up to one another. So, and of course, whoa! Let's see, did that. I don't know why that didn't stick. I mean, it's like right there. Ow! That glue is hot. Yes, I do have those little pink things from Dollar Tree, but I don't know where they are. As usual. Okay, let me stand this up and see if it falls off. Nope, doesn't fall off, so that's not bad. We'll get rid of the glue strings. That's a bonus. So far we have this, which is what I want it to be. So cool. And then we take the bunny and we're going to glue the bunny onto the leaves. Now, hopefully this bunny glues where it's supposed to glue. So let's just, on the ears, on the legs, and the face. Okay. So we're just gluing here and here and here and then here. And maybe a glue there. Okay, so we got all the glue on there. Let's get that off of there. Put the bunny down. Well, let's hope this all sticks. So we're just going to hold it down, put a little pressure on it. Like I said, this is a smaller downscaled version of what I saw in Michael's, but it's a pretty good dupe for it if you ask me. So let's see. Hopefully it all stays together. And there we go. It doesn't fall off. It's all glued. I'm jiggling it up and down. So here is my Dollar Tree dupe on a Michael's item for Easter. I hope you like it. I hope you had fun watching me make this. And I know you can see where the little words used to be. I'm not quite sure what I would do to get that off. I'm going to try something and maybe use, I think it's called Goo Gone or something. Maybe that'll take the rest of that off. Who knows? Any which way I look at it, I really like how this turned out. I think it is super cute. I hope you do too. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you can see more awesome DIYs like this. Thanks for watching, and let's all get crafty. Bye-bye.